feel like you're kind of on an island by yourself. And then whenever you come to the Glamping Shows America conference, you have all of these friends and family that are in the same boat as you. So it's a fantastic opportunity to come here and just pause your business, invest in yourself, invest in seeing what the next thing is, and you go from there.
At the beginning, we've grown with the show. We've seen a lot of people come and go, and it's been amazing experience seeing how the industry has grown.
And I'm from Northwest Illinois.
I am Christina. I am also from Northwest Illinois.
We are exploring new options for potential glamping opportunities on our family land, and we figured this is the best way to start and get some inspiration. Favorite part so far has just been being able to talk to everybody and just gain inspiration and come up with ideas that I didn't really have before coming here.
I mean, it is a little overwhelming because there's so many great ideas and so many great structures that are here. So trying to take it all in and then take it home and organize it and figure out what direction you want to go might be a little challenging for us.
This is our 4th year with the Glamping Show, and this year has just been another wonderful year. It's so exciting to meet not only so many entrepreneurs that are starting their own glamping business, but also those more established businesses and understanding what they need as they continue to evolve their projects.
Favorite thing about the show is just meeting the rest of the exhibitors out here, the rest of the manufacturers, seeing what sort of innovation everyone is working on. Everyone seems to really kind of push each other to offer new products or new features on each of these products. So it's a really great place to come together, see what the latest trends are, what the latest products are, and walk away with some great ideas every single time.
For a show like this, like the Glamping Show in the US, is one of the very few platforms that we can utilize and we can come to and showcase our products. So for us, this is an extremely important show, being in the glamping market.
So we're happy to be here at the Glamping Summit. They're good people and it's a good place to be.